Chawanmushi, Japanese steamed egg custard. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Bonito and kombu seaweed stock. Pour water in a pot and soak the kombu for 30 minutes. Place on heat until it is just about to boil and remove the kombu. Turn heat off and add the dried bonito flakes. Turn on the heat once again until it starts boiling. Lower heat and then remove the foam. Turn off the heat and strain over paper towel and a strainer. Do not squeeze, as squeezing can lead to bitterness. Finish. Prepare enough dashi for about 3 times the volume of the egg, about 150 milliliters.
Chicken thigh, 10 grams.
Cut however much chicken needed. Salt the chicken.
Kamaboko, 5 millimeters, 2.
Cut the kamaboko in 5 millimeter width. Shiitake sliced, 2. Remove the root of the shiitake and slice. Mitsuba. Remove the stem of the mitsuba. In a bowl, beat the egg, but do not let it foam. Add cooled dashi in the egg and salt. Strain the egg solution. One-fifth of the toppings compared to the egg into a Pyrex container. Add egg to 70% of the container. Add 50 to 70% full of water in the bottom rack of the steamer. Let it boil. Place the container in the steamer and place a lid. Insert chopsticks in between. Steam for 3 minutes on high heat and then another 10 minutes on low heat. Remove from the heat to check how cooked the egg is. If the juice is transparent, it is cooked. Remove from the steamer and put with Mitsuba. Enjoy! Chawanmushi, Japanese steamed egg custard.